situation na papalit kay Bol?
It's very ticklish because on one end, introducing a new element to the team, okay, can go both ways. They can give us a jolt of energy, but it can also get in the way of already how smooth as things are going with the team. But yes, Malik Diouf was in practice yesterday. We continue to ask him back in practice. Even if Bacolod arrives tonight, we still want to see both of them because we want to see who will fit us better. While we all know the caliber of Bacolod, except we're not really sure the kind of game shape he's been coming off his stint in Taiwan. But at least he's been playing. But I think the most important thing really is the assimilation with the guys. I think we'll take a look at what our options are. Maybe we might even we're still even looking beyond the two guys who are here already. But that's a work in progress, and there's nothing more I can say except we continue to look, and it's a work in progress.
Coach, one guy na medyo tahimik this conference.